Today we are with Mike Shea. Can you tell me a bit about yourself and what you offer?
Yeah, sure. I'm Mike Shea with AnnieMac. I've been with AnnieMac since the end of 24. Been in the business for 10 years. I live in West Hartford with my wife of 24 years, God bless her, and we've raised 3 kids. I used to be in the home building business before this, and before that I was a stockbroker. So I think I've got a good vast knowledge of businesses and taxes and everything else in between to help people with their income calculation and get people to the finish line.
Fantastic. And what do you like most about your career?
I like the flexibility, and I like the fact that I'm basically running my own business within a business. And I like the fact that I'm helping people who probably would never be able to own a home before, help them figure out how to get there and what to do. And it's great to see the smile on their face when the first-time home buyers finally take the keys.
Absolutely. And what do you find to be the most challenging part of your career?
The most challenging part of my career is managing all the different people and personalities. From the real estate agents to the attorneys and to the clients and everybody in between. There's a lot of people involved in the process, and you kind of got to learn how to be a quarterback for the whole deal. But once you kind of get that nailed down and learn how to stay in your own lane and do what needs to be done, it becomes pretty easy.
Absolutely. I totally get that. What do you find makes you different than other companies?
Yeah, so AnnieMac has a couple of core programs that are different from anything that other companies have. They're very unique. In addition to that, we also underwrite our own loans, and we have our own underwriters in-house and do our own processing in-house. So we're not brokering everything out.
Fantastic. And any last thoughts that you'd like to add and share?
Yeah, the pre-approval process, we make it pretty smooth and easy. Everything's done electronically. Everybody can sign things electronically. And I am available nights and weekends for my agents and my clients. If they're putting in an offer, we can get that letter to them right away.
Fantastic. Perfect. And lastly, how can people get a hold of you?
Typically either text or call my cell or text my cell. Email is obviously perfectly fine as well. Those are usually the best ways to get a hold of me.
Fantastic. Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. We're excited to share this with everyone.
Thank you.
Absolutely.